Studio Squad. For everyone new, welcome to Kiata Studio.
I'm in my garden, and you're going to be able to see what I'm growing this year.
I'm going to start by showing you what I'm growing in my garden to help get more pollinators over, like these beautiful black-eyed Susans. I've been seeing a lot of bees come around thanks to these sunflowers. They have grown too tall for their container, that's why they're leaning over, but I do plan on transplanting them soon. Growing up, I used to eat sunflower seeds. I heard that basil is also good to get pollinators over, and I have seen some small birds thanks to the red and green basil. I was eating it at first, but it's overgrown now. These are green beans. We eat a lot of these in my household. I am now transplanting tomato plants from a mason jar into a 5-gallon bucket. The seeds for the tomato plants, the soil, and the mason jar was all parts of a kit, but of course the tomato plants got way too large and root bound, so they're going inside of this bucket with this tomato cage. I'm also teaching my children how to grow their own food in the garden. Here's my youngest son cutting the squash off of the plants by himself.
You did it all by yourself.
Here's what's in my buckets from left to right. The first 3 buckets contain yellow squash plants. The 4th one are the tomato plants, and the last one, which is a dark one on the side, that contains cucumbers. It's amazing to see how the flowers turn into fruit. I can still see parts of the original flower at the bottom of the yellow squash. This is the cucumber plant at this time. All the cucumbers are tiny flower babies. I put a couple of bell pepper plants on the steps just for this video, but usually they're located somewhere else in my garden. I believe that these are bell pepper plants as well. I haven't seen any flowers grow yet though. I caught this weed growing along the side of my bell pepper plants, and then I separated it because I wasn't sure what it was, but now that I know it's pokeweed, I'm going to trash this and grow something else edible in that container. This in the middle is lettuce. On both sides are tomato plants. These are the traditional jack-o'-lantern pumpkin plants. I put DE powder on this plant to eliminate some of the issues with the ants. I think that I'm going to try to hand pollinate this plant so I can help the pumpkins grow.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch as many times as you want, and subscribe to Kiata Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video. Bye.